Coming over the causeway here in Ocean City. It is Saturday morning, September 18th. It's about 6:30 in the morning. Looks like the sun's probably just coming up. There's a lot of cloud cover, so you can't really see it. It's supposed to be 3 to 4 today. Light offshore winds. Looks like that might be the case with the winds. Looks pretty calm out there, so pumped up about that. Still coming off of Hurricane Larry last weekend. This is the first time I've been out since then, so I don't think the waves are going to be nearly what we saw last weekend, but it should be pretty fun this morning, so I'm kind of pumped up about it. 3 to 4 with offshore winds is kind of my sweet spot, so I'm looking forward to it, and yeah, I'm just going to try to get like an hour or so in and then head out. I don't want to be out here too late, so looks like a good morning. Thank you, Jesus. Woo!